Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to control camera on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. Firstly, to find the camera application, we just need to open the list of applications just by tapping the digital crown. And here it is. So, you can see how the camera immediately opens on your phone as well. And now we can tap on these three dots to see more settings for the camera. For example, we can enable or disable 3 seconds timer, and also we can switch to the front camera right here and disable flash, for example, and disable live photos. Great, now tap the done button. And here you just need to tap this camera shutter button and the photo will be taken after 3 seconds. So let's do it now. And you can see that it is mirroring the phone as well. And now we just need to wait a couple of seconds and check the result. So here you can find this photo in the gallery like that, and also you can do just the same on your watch. This is really cool and useful feature. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.